So I'm Dan Souza. I'm editor-in-chief of Cooks Illustrated. What's Eating Dan is a really fun project we started last year, and it's a YouTube series, and every single episode, we basically take one of my favorite foods of all time, and I do a deep dive on the science, so really understanding what makes that ingredient tick from a flavor or texture perspective, and then we go into some really cool testing that my team on Cooks Illustrated have done over the years.
The dreaded splotchily browned first pancake. It's entirely avoidable. It's caused by excess oil in the skillet.
We've been around for 25 years now, so in the food publishing world, that's a pretty long time, and we haven't never really changed our core values of what we do, and it's question everything and test everything with the end goal of a foolproof recipe that someone can pick up and make and be successful on the first try. So I think it's really important to us to just kind of get our message out there in lots of different ways, and if What's Eating Dan is any example of it working or not, like, it absolutely works.
As a professional cook and baker, I know a lot of things that are definitely true about biscuits. For instance, biscuits are always nice and buttery.
So we go into the kitchen and we run experiments to demonstrate, why cheese melts the way it does, or why cutting a Brussels sprout in half is a really important thing when you're cooking them, why wild salmon and farm salmon are best kind of thought of as two different types of fish entirely. And we show you, so it's not just me telling you stuff, we show in each episode.
With a cold skillet, I can easily lay all the Brussels in cut side down, so we maximize brownable surface area.
My favorite one so far, I think, was mushrooms. I love mushrooms anyway, but we came up with this amazing new technique for cooking mushrooms this year. Even if you don't think you're into that ingredient, whether it's cauliflower or Brussels sprouts, check it out, because there's really surprising stuff in each episode.
Pick a young cheese and shred it. You'll get a bit more flavor than American, but it's still gonna melt pretty nicely. Not American cheese nice, but still good.
And so it's a really fun expression of what we've done at Cooks Illustrated for the past 25 years, which is really nerdy, in-depth testing in order to help you make great food at home. And so it's still our same goal. We're just kind of using a different platform, a different medium for it. And I mean, we're having a lot of fun with it too.